Hi Graham, this is just a quick video to demonstrate what we were discussing yesterday on our Teams call. We're looking at the Scan to BIM or the Scan to Design tool within SketchUp for the iPad. If I just change screen, look over here, and this is a video shot by one of my students over a year ago now. I'm not going to show you the full thing, don't worry. Using the Scan to Design functionality here, he'll then start scanning the corridor outside the Trimble lab at Merchiston. This is his first time doing it. Maybe I'm going a bit too fast. I'll skip forward a little. We've got a bit of the corridor. We then go into the room and he's scanning the room, catching all the details. Go a bit further on, getting all the furniture, which also gets captured and brought into layers. Go a bit further. The back end of the room, the corner detail. Yep, and of course it is the Trimble lab as I was saying before. Going on a little bit. Now we're getting back to the start of the room. And then it sends it off to be registered and processed on the cloud. And then it brought back in to the iPad, something like this, with the cloud data, all the windows identified. We can also turn off the cloud data and just get a simplified BIM model. I'll stop that there. I'll demonstrate the one that I was showing you yesterday. This was the model that I had for my 5th year course of Architectural Technologists. This was all scanned using the iPad, the exact same iPad. It was one scan per floor, so the one scan done the whole ground floor and a separate scan done the whole first floor. And we married the two models together, really simple to do. I then added on the external wall, which is quite simple to do and very fast and efficient. And then of course I added on a bit of a roof just for my students. However, we were talking about making a toolkit for retrofit. So we talked about two toolkits, in fact, one for the professionals. So this would be the Saphira built into SketchUp. This would do all of the carbon analysis for running the house for a year's period, and you can function all that. And there was also we were also discussing a toolkit more useful for, say, the house owner. Something like this as we discussed yesterday, but perhaps an online variant of this. This is all things that we're looking at doing, but for the Icebox project as we discussed, hence why I'm going to bring Robert into this conversation, and perhaps in the new year we can pick this back up and see how we want to go forward with it. For now, thank you.